How to use Google Authenticator on a Windows 10 or 11 PC. So if you want to use Google Authenticator on your Windows, then before proceeding, I'll just let you know that we don't have an application of Google Authenticator for Windows. We have that on the mobile device, but we don't have for that Windows. So in order to use Google Authenticator, there is an alternative in your Windows. What you need to do is just go with your browser and you need to go with the upper right, which has that profile option. And you can go with manage your Google account and it will take you to the Google account section. So just wait for some time and you need to go with the security section. Under security, now make sure that you've turned on your two-step verification. In my case, I've already turned it on. But if you've not turned on, you just need to simply click on it and you need to turn on your two-step verification. Once you've entered your two-step verification or enable that, you need to go with Authenticator, which is right here. You can add more sign-in options, which is right here on the bottom, and you need to go with Authenticator. Click on Authenticator and you need to verify if it's you or not. So enter your passkey. Now here you will have the Authenticator application, right? Instead of waiting for text messages, you can get the verification code from an Authenticator app. It works even if your phone is offline. So you just need to simply first go and download the Google Authenticator from the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store. You can do that on your mobile device. So go and install it and then go with Setup Authenticator. And you can go with Google Authenticator app and then go with the bottom right, which has that plus icon, and then you can scan the QR code, which is right here, and then go with next and you'll receive a code and you need to enter that code right here, and after that your Authenticator app will be set up. Or you can just simply go with can scan it, and here you will have the security key, or you can just enter your email address and this key. Spaces don't matter. You can simply enter this key, which is right here, and it is time based. You just need to simply go with next and you can set up your Authenticator on your Windows. Or the next thing you can do is you can simply search for WinAuth, which is an authenticator for Windows. You can simply go with WinAuth. You can download it or you can just go with your browser and then you can use WinAuth as a Google Authenticator on your Windows. So that's the alternative way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.